Hey everybody, how you guys doing? Got the grill fired up here. We're going to do some different meat that I haven't had before that we got in from a company called Very Good Butchers. We bought a little meat pack. This is a plant-based meat. There is the package. I kind of ripped the top, but I think you can see it okay. And they look like little brats, and I got my grill heated up to 500, the little acorn, and we're going to make these. These are called smoked bangers. Giggity, no comments. So this is what they look like. Kind of like a big brat, all plant-based. Yum yum, right? So we got the grill going. We're gonna pop it open. These things on. Since they're already basically cooked and we're warming them up, I got the grill pretty hot, so I want to get a nice little cook on those. Hear that sizzling? Yeah. So we're gonna cook these. I'm gonna close the lid. We're gonna cook these, and we're gonna make some baked beans and some corn, and we're gonna have a nice little meal on this nice beautiful day, starting to warm up a little bit, trying to overcome the COVID-19. And for those of you that are having a hard time finding meat in some of your grocery stores, there are plant alternatives. Give it a try. It will not kill you. Hey everybody, we're back. I just wanted to show us, we're going to roll these over a little bit. You can see how we're getting nice lines on them. Get the nice char going, so we'll just roll those over. And then we'll cook those some more and get them nice and warmed up. And I just wanted to show you this wrapper again. You can see it says Very Good Butchers, and they're out of Canada. You can see the Canadian maple leaf right there. And it's really cool. It's a company that I found online, so I bought their big meat box. So the next few videos we're going to be grilling, because it is summertime, and we're going to try this out. We got some ribs, and we got these bangers or brats, or I have two different flavors of those. We got some burgers, we got some taco meat to make tacos, and yeah, so let me finish cooking this other side, and then we're going to go in and make the baked beans, and then we're going to put it all together. All right, we're back. Pull these off. Don't those look good? Nice and crispy on the outside. All plant proteins. Yum. And beans, which are plants, of course, but you know, you get the idea. Look at that. Yum. All right, I'll see you guys inside. We'll start making the baked beans. So we're going to take a couple tablespoons of butter, put that in fry, and temp it down a little bit, and let that butter heat up, start melting real good. Alright, then we're going to add a can of mushrooms. We're going to add half of a purple onion, and I got some diced bell pepper here that I chopped up. I'm going to put in there. We're going to saute this until everything is nice and yummies. We got one garlic right here. Put that in. We're going to give it a little bit of salt. Woo, yeah! Get my stick here. Alright, so we're going to cook this up really nice. We're making these baked beans basically. What I'm doing now is making the sauce, and I'm putting a little bit of vegetables in with the sauce because that's what I prefer. I'll have the recipe in the descriptions, but I just basically, instead of the onion, just the onion, I wanted some mushrooms and some red bell pepper. And I like red bell pepper, as long as it's cut small like I did. And we had some red bell pepper in the fridge that we haven't used in a little bit, so I decided, you know what, that's what we're doing. We're going to get this good and cooked. All right, we got the vegetables cooked real nicely. So now we're going to add in 1 cup of water. We're going to add in our molasses and our maple syrup. So that mixes around in there. Okay. And then we're going to put in our 1 cup of tomato sauce. Our vegan Worcestershire sauce that I had made up, so there's no fish in there, no anchovies. And our vinegar. Quarter cup of apple cider vinegar. Three tablespoons of prepared mustard. 1, 2, 3. Right? Is that how we do it? Is that how we measure that? All right. Mix that around real good. We're going to bring it to a boil. It smells wonderful. We're going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to turn it down to low, and we're going to let it simmer for 45 minutes until it thickens up. And then we're going to add our pinto beans to it, and we're going to bake it in the oven for an hour. And boom, beautiful baked beans. I know, it's a little bit of work, but trust me, it's going to be worth it. It's going to be worth it. Put in a little bit of time. This gives you time to do the dishes and clean up your mess that you made. And while it's baking in the oven, while you're waiting for it to simmer for 45 minutes. And yeah, it's already starting to thicken up a little bit already. Wonderful. All right, guys, as you can see, it's nice and thick. Yum. Cooked down. See, that didn't take that long. Didn't take long at all. Now we're going to add our pinto beans. While we're simmering here. Then we're going to mix those around real good. Looks like baked beans already, don't it, guys? Yum. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm going to add some fresh ground pepper. oven. Since we put it in the oven for about an hour and 10 minutes on 325. But I want to taste it real quick. Why it's in this state here, so I can taste all the seasonings and stuff. Let me get a spoon. Alright, let me make sure I get a mushroom there too. Okay, that's pretty darn good. I'm not gonna lie, pretty darn good. So let's turn this off. Let's get our pan here. Let's see if I can do this on camera without, oh, almost did it anyway, without spilling it everywhere. Let's get all that goodness in there. Okay, give you a good look right there. What do you think, guys? Looks good. Off into the oven it goes. See ya in like 30 seconds. All right, we're back. As you can see, we just got everything done. We got the beautiful baked beans and the corn, and then we got our little banger with some onions and pickles on some mustard on a piece of low-carb bread. Perfect summertime meal, nothing fancy, but very, very good and very filling. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Have a great day.